Welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to stitch your leather steering wheel cover. It's going to be an easy tutorial step by step. Here you can see the old leather on the steering wheel. You can see that the leather cover is ripped, so we are going to replace it. I'm going to show you the material which I'm going to be using. It's a real leather which is perforated on the sides of the steering wheel for better grip. As you can see, the material is pretty thick with the foam under it. So I'm going to soak it for 10 minutes so it's easier to work with. In the meantime, I'm going to take off the plastic trims which are on the steering wheel. It's easy, you can do it by hand or use a plastic trim remover. After that, I'm going to remove the old leather. As you can see, I'm using scissors around these four joints because I don't want to remove all the leather. The new cover is not big enough to cover these joints, so I'm going to keep here the old leather and rip off the rest of the leather. Now I'm going to clean the steering wheel. To get all remaining pieces of old leather and glue out of it. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt coming out. Wipe it off. And now we are ready to start. Okay, the material was soaked in the water for 10 minutes. So place a cloth below because there will be some remaining water. Find the center part on the leather cover and align it with your steering wheel. As you can see, now it's much easier to work with the material when it has been soaked in the water for 10 minutes. Now we can start the stitching. I'm using the simple technique, just the straight stitches, no double stitching or crossing, just the simple technique. Just continue stitching around whole steering wheel. Make sure you don't miss any hole. This is how it looks in the process. This is half of the steering wheel done stitching. What we need to do now is to secure all the stitches and tighten it up well. So the cover is wrapped out around the steering wheel really tight. As you can see, I'm using a special hook, and then I am stretching it and tightening it up. And as you can see, we are getting a really nice look. And this is the final product. I think it looked really well. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.